Hello again from the Haynes International Motor Museum. I last gave an update on the museum's situation in relation to COVID-19 back in March, and things have changed almost on a daily basis since then. But our mission then and our mission now remains the same: to minimise the financial impact on the museum, to maximise upon the operational opportunities that this situation affords us, so that when we do reopen, we can reopen efficiently, quickly, and most importantly, we can offer a very safe environment for our visitors, ensuring social distancing and all the other health and safety measures that will be required for the foreseeable future. As part of that operational review, we identified two major projects that would have necessitated the museum closing at some future date. And we concluded that the least disruptive approach will be to tackle those projects now. The first of those projects is the construction of a new 500 space car park towards the side and rear of the museum. And the second is the re-roofing and redevelopment of two major exhibition areas within the museum. Therefore, the museum will reopen in mid-October. We do appreciate that this means that our museum visitors will have to wait just a little longer for the museum to reopen. But we think that all the benefits that these projects will bring will certainly make that wait worthwhile. Of course, our museum visitors are just one of our many stakeholders, from museum volunteers through to our venue hire clients, our workshop and restoration centre clients, and all the various stakeholders in between. Communication is really important to us, and we will keep you informed of all major and key developments over the coming months.